Welcome! Today, we're showing you how to access Hayu on Rogers Xfinity TV. Let's go! Love reality TV? With Rogers Xfinity TV and Hayu, you can enjoy your favorite reality shows at any time. There are a few ways you can access Hayu. Just press and hold the mic button on your voice remote and say Hayu. The Hayu app will open instantly, or press the Rogers button on your voice remote to open the main menu. Select Apps. Now, select Hayu. To start watching the shows, you'll need a Hayu subscription and to be logged into your account. Don't have a Hayu subscription? Follow the on-screen instructions to sign up. That's it. Now you can indulge in streaming endless hours of your favorite reality shows with Rogers Xfinity TV.